And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Carpinteria, California. This is your Independence Day Parade. I'm John Palmentary, and joining me are
Sienna Kelly,
Mary Beth Carty,
Kennedy Rodriguez.
We're so happy you could join us here. We're starting our parade off with some of the cars that are just now leaving the fantastic Rods and Roses Parade. The Rods and Roses event today was right before the parade, I should say. That's a 57 Chevy Bel Air right there. Who saw Rods and Roses today?
We did.
Weren't those some of the greatest cars you could ever assemble on beautiful Linden Avenue in Carpinteria?
Yeah.
This apparently is an award winner. Rods and Roses was here with a lot of horsepower between 10 and 2. Coming up right now, we have a 1963 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 3 representing the Arm & Hammer Foundation. The Arm & Hammer Foundation with Mark Alfano, Andrea Alfano, Ella, and Daxton. Thank you, Mark. Thank you to Michael Hammer, and thank you to the Arm & Hammer Foundation. So that concludes officially Rods and Roses. The Arm & Hammer Foundation has supported this event for many, many years. They're based in the Carpinteria Valley. They love everything good about Carpinteria, and they support all that you enjoy about living here in this beautiful town. All right, let's let our announcers tell us a little bit about each other. Tell the audience who you are and how you made it here to the grand stage.
Well, my name is Sienna Kelly, and I got invited to announce by my Uncle Mikey, who is in charge of Rods and Roses, and I'm very excited to be here.
I'm Mary Beth Carty, and I am also part of the nepotism of this parade. My brother Mike Lazaro invited me to announce today.
I am Kennedy Rodriguez, and I was also invited by the same people. You guys were invited, and I am very, very excited to be here today.
It's my understanding that 3 of the 4 announcers here have thoroughly rehearsed their scripts.
Yes.
It'll be up to you by the end of the parade to figure out which one may be reading the copy cold. Ladies and gentlemen, Carpinteria, as you know, for those who've lived here for years and those who are new, is the cutest little town, one-of-a-kind town left in Southern California. You will not be able to duplicate this town anywhere from here down to San Diego, and you are living it right now with our Veterans of Foreign War Color Guard, the Carpinteria Navy and Marine veterans, Korean and veterans. Let's hear it for Lorenzo Martinez, Larry Gillespie, Rudy Gomez, Ray Lane, Barry Antignap, and Frank Torres. Lorenzo with the Navy and the Marines, Larry with the Navy, Rudy with the Marines, Ray with the Navy, Barry with the Submarine Service, and Frank with the Navy. Thank you for your service back in the day. Thank you for representing today. Our veterans, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a cheer.
The Santa Barbara Sheriff's Pipe and Drum Corps is a volunteer element of the Santa Barbara County Sheriff's Department. Department. Formed in 2007, it's the only law enforcement pipe band between LA and San Francisco. Anyone interested in bagpiping or drumming can join the Corps, and free instruction is provided. Pipe Sergeant Tom Strelick can be contacted at tstrelick@sbbagpipers.com.
Here come Carpinteria Scouts. Troop 50 just finished scout camp at Camp Chowakani on Safer Lake. The Scouts participated in many merit badges classes. Out of 16 troops, Troop 50 was awarded the Scout Spirit Era. This award goes to the troop with the best campsite for the whole week. Also, the troop with the best spirit for the whole week, as well as improvements to the camp. Troop 50 has Last Day Swing, a class rack, and a weather rock. The camp guide informed Troop 50 that the camp has never seen more organized and spirited troops to date. Riding today, we have our very own City of Carpinteria council members, staff, and their wonderful families. Thank you to all of them for their hard work and dedication to our community.
You can
Hi,
hold,
Uncle Greggy.
you can hold a city council meeting on the hay bales now. Do I see a quorum? There's your city council there, including our mayor, Wade Namora. Look at his red, white, and blue tie, ladies and gentlemen. And the entire city council, thank you for all you do. It's not easy.
SB Forge and Iron, Santa Barbara. Forge and Iron is a local, family-run business specializing in beautiful metal for your home or business. They make custom railings, sconces, gates, and doors, and would love to work with you on your next project. World War II, 1945 Ford GPW driven by Robert Gordon with a Browning 50 caliber machine gun.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, this year's Independence Parade Grand Marshal is also a 2020 Carpinterian of the Year. Here she is, Beth Cox. Beth was honored as the 2020 Carpinterian of the Year for her stellar fundraising and volunteer efforts supporting organizations as the American Cancer Society, Rotary Club of Carpinteria Morning, the new Carpinteria Skate Park, Food Bank of Carpinteria, Children's Project, the Girls Inc. of Carpinteria, the Alcazar Theater, Carpinteria Education Foundation, Carpinteria's Boys and Girls Club, and the Fairleigh Arts Center. Wow, what do you think of that?
Go back! Go back!
That is Beth Cox, and she's being driven by Gary Dobbins, and for the most part, he will stay in his lane. That's Gary's brand new car. Check out that Roadster. Grant Cox began his company in 1999 in a 76 old Chevy two-door truck purchased from Ray Sider for $2,500. His name is Tar Pits Gardening and Landscaping. In that serving tar pits was his daily inspiration. He began with his two brothers who moved here from Washington, originally from Mexico, picked up a few Carpinteria and Santa Barbara maintenance accounts. 20 years later, Grant Cox has grown his company from those two brothers, one of them still employed, to 40 employees, over 100 maintenance accounts from Carpinteria, Goleta, landscape construction projects, all the way to Malibu and beyond. Grant and Beth always put family and their community first. That is Grant Cox Enterprises.
Here come CVLL District Champs. Carpenter Valley Little League Junior Division All-Star Team 22. For the first time in history of the league, they are winners of the Roy D. Fisher North versus South District 63 Junior Division Challenge. CVLL celebrates its 25th anniversary, making this even more special. Players representing their team and the league are David Kistapase, Connor Boyd, Trace Chadwick, Gabe Chung, Dante Gavlin, Colton Gray, Gabe Martinez, David Nystorm, Garrett Reddy, Grant Reddy, and Mesha Smith. The coaching staff are manager Aaron Reddy, coach Josh Martinez, and coach Steve Kistapase.
And it looks like it comes with some snacks and candy along the way. How's that? Let's hear it for all the sweet treats that are be handing out here. They're handing out.
Next up, we have the Carpinteria High School FFA. They're a dynamic youth organization that changes lives and prepares members for premier leadership, personal growth, and career success through agricultural education. Carpinteria High School, Future Farmers of America, develops their members' potential and helps them discover their talent through the tools to achieve real-world success and hands-on experience. Members are future chemists, veterinarians, government officials, entrepreneurs, bankers, international business leaders, teachers, and premier professionals in many career fields. FFA is an intra-curricular student organization for those interested in agriculture and leadership. CarpHi FFA would like to thank advisors Sal Lopez and Noe Gomez for their dedication and support.
And here comes Carpinteria Beautiful with current President Brian Moots and other members. Founded in 1992 by my great-granddad, Carpinteria Beautiful has been keeping our city clean, green, and beautiful for 30 years through programs like trash pickup, graffiti, abatement.
Now I want you to watch what they do. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen.
Doggy bag dispensers.
Watch Carpinteria
and of
Beautiful.
course-
Please come back. I see that someone here at the announcers table might be littering in Carpinteria. There.
What?
Boo to littering and yay to Carpinteria Beautiful.
You said they're responsible for it.
It's always good to demonstrate what you do.
And they're responsible for the beautiful murals, tree planting, doggy bag dispensers, and of course, our city's own renowned and famous murals.
Yay to Carpinteria Beautiful. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Carpinterians of the Year. Does he have more? You have more to say? We have one more thing to say.
Carpinteria Weed Warriors, volunteers that keep parks beautiful by weeding them.
The Weed Warriors. I love that. I think I should see you guys on TV soon. Well, Larry's going to put you on. But I mean the other TV. Here they are, your Carpinterians of the Year. Driven by the Hot Rod Limo, chauffeuring some of Carpinteria's former Carpinterians of the Year, seated in this very cool Hot Rod. Some cool community members. John Welty from 2004, Karen Graff. Let's see if we get a little, gotta get a little picture of you guys here, right? Yeah, there's our Carpinterian of the Years. Wade Namora, Paul Wright, Asa Olson, Curtis Lopez, Lori Bowles. The Hot Rod Limo's available for tour sites in Santa Barbara, Montecito. Check out their website, sbhotrodlimo.com. Your Carpinterians of the Year. Wade is about 4 blocks in front of you. Paul and I were just at Island Brewing planning his... Whoa, I think we almost lost Paul right there. Planning his great appearance here. That took up a half a block.
Here comes Kinderkirk. Kinderkirk Preschool has been serving children since 1978. They are excited to be here today, walking in the parade. They want to wish you all a safe and relaxing Independence Day. Let's go! Yeah, babe! Great futures start at United Boys and Girls Clubs in Santa Barbara County. The Carpinteria unit has been serving school-aged youth since 1967, providing safe and fun after-school and summer activities for all youth, but especially for those that need us the most. Me encanta.
There's a lot of fun still to come. Look at them down the street there.
Coming up, Carpinteria Warrior Cheer. The 27 members of the Carpinteria High School cheerleaders are proud to support their classmates at all sporting and school activities and serve as a source of pride and spirit for the Carpinteria community. The largest group on campus, the Warrior Cheer Squad, is happy to host the mini cheer camp on July 25th to the 28th at CHS. Ages 3 to 14 are welcome. Join us for a week full of fun, cheer, dance, and community building. Warrior spirit never dies!
And they've certainly had a lot to cheer about in the last year. So many outstanding athletes in all sports in Carpinteria, some going up to the CIF championship level. Give them a cheer!
Up next, everybody's favorite, the strolling primetime palmentaries. The Mustache Mafia of Carpinteria. This is a collective group of locals and visitors honoring the one and only Primetime himself.
I see a lot of breaking news coming down the street. That is not how I do the news at night. With a swagger, with a shake. That's how it looks when I get home. When you're watching on TV. Thank you for that great rendition, if not impersonation.
Not everybody gets their own group
No,
of
I don't.
masquerading mustachio marauder.
I thought it would be maybe a dog or something. Oh, that's coming up next.
Here comes Sea Dog. These pups and their owners are part of Sea Dog, the Carpinteria Dog Owners Group, supporting off-leash dog play in Carpinteria. The mission of Sea Dog is to encourage the establishment of the dog parks and open off-leash areas in order to provide safe and secure environments where owners may exercise and train their dogs off-leash, thus providing effective socialization opportunities for people and their dogs, as well as enhancing positive interaction between dog owners and the community.
And Sea Dog is known for a very cool Halloween costume contest. So you stay in touch with Sea Dog for all their events, but at Halloween they do a fantastic dress up. I don't know where the Shriners are, but go to Spanish Days.
Okay. The Santa Barbara Fiesta community invites you, your family, and guests to come and once again enjoy the history, traditions, and the pageantry of Old Spanish Days Fiesta as it celebrates its 98th Fiesta year. Join us as we celebrate exciting Fiesta events from August 3rd through the 7th. Please visit sbfiesta.org for the latest information. La Presidente Maria Cabrera is walking with Old Spanish Days board members. Dancing for you today are the 2022 Spirit of Fiesta, Tara Mata, and Junior Spirit of Fiesta, Leila Gopong. Joining them are 2022 Spirit of Fiesta audition participants and Los Chinelos of Santa Barbara. Viva la Fiesta!
Viva la fiesta! Yeah!
And I know that the Old Spanish Days Committee is very committed to making sure that all the Carpinterians celebrate Old Spanish Days and come out for Fiesta, and they're here with us today. And look at this beautiful addition to our Carpinteria Independence Day Parade. Thank you to Old Spanish Days.
Carpinteria Jewelry Company, Eric, Gus, and Leo Bridgeford, proudly continuing the 13,000-year legacy of boat building in Carpinteria Valley to the sea, which was also started by the Chumash.
That's right. Very good.
Ladies and gentlemen, Friends of Bates Beach is a non-profit corporation that runs the Beach Ambassador Program at North Rincon Beach and also as Bates Beach just south of Carpinteria. They keep the beach free of trash and safe for all to enjoy. They support the traditional nude area at the northern end of this beach. Ladies and gentlemen, they are your Friends of Bates Beach. So I think I'll read this one. This car is a 1930 Ford Model A, correct? It's a roadster, modified and used almost daily, representing the Abbott Ranch, driven by Duncan Abbott. Beautiful.
And next up, Women Making Change. In recognition of Women's History Month this past March, the Alcazar Theater dedicated a month of comprehensive and diverse programming celebrating the theme of Women Making Change. Featured performances by female musicians, artists, comedians, and advocates, screening of documentaries and films that amplified the accomplishments and legacies of women historically and in the present. Showcase speakers and panelists who addressed and illuminated critical issues affecting women and girls. Women Making Change continues to promise to entertain, inform, and uplift our community. And here is Lisa Thomas, founder and artistic director of the Carpinteria Arts and Cultural Festival, which occurs in September of this year. For more information, please visit diadelosmuertoscarpinteria.com. Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you, Lisa. Beautiful.
Thank you, Ivor.
And here come Vespa. Sorry.
And coming at you is the famous, or perhaps the infamous, Johnny O. Johnny O is sponsored by Brew and Q, with owners Jessica and Joey Dulce and Yesenia Marquez. Go, Johnny.
Yay.
And here come Vespa Militia. Established in late 2018, Vespa Militia is a group of motorcycle enthusiasts with a, I can never say this word right, specific focus on the Italian brand Vespa. They focus on this brand due to its variety, power, and endless possibilities to have fun. Their main goal is to get together weekly and plan new adventures. They welcome the new enthusiasts as long as you are ready to participate, be tolerant, and are ready to have fun.
And it appears as if this is the first time in the history of this parade. We have breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The Vespa Militia is an invisible entry. Are they in the car? They're in the truck. They're in the trunk.
Oh,
Apparently they're in the trunk, ladies and gentlemen. What do you think of that?
Woo!
We never stop the mail, do we, Sienna?
Nope. Okay, next up, Bob and Pat. Wingate driving a 63 Nova SS. Very rare car. Residents of Carpinteria for 35 years.
yeah.
Beautiful.
Here comes the United States Postal Service, proudly serving the community. The friendly customer service postal faculty team offers mail and package delivery services and PO box services. Today's driver is local carrier Brian Lee, who has been with the Carpinteria Postal Office for 8 years. The USPS is hiring. Visit USPS.com/carriers to apply or visit the local office. Go Mail Carriers!
And it wouldn't be a parade without E.J. Harrison bringing up the rear. Your local waste hauler, happy to serve the beautiful city of Carpinteria. Over 20 years, many more to come. This is the newest vehicle in its fleet. It's a 2022 Peterbilt CNG fueled. Donald Sealand is the driver with his wife Linda. He works in organics and recycling and has worked very closely with our city to limit the amount of waste that hits landfill. We thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, your Carpinteria Summerlin Fire Protection District. Proudly serving our community since 1934, 24/7, 365. Our firefighters serve not only our Carpinteria City and Summerlin communities, but they get called throughout the entire California region to respond to mutual aid calls and serve other communities as well. Thank you to our firefighters for all they do here in Carpinteria and throughout the state. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for coming out once again. for the Carpinteria Independence Day Parade and the beautiful Rods and Roses Car Show on Linden Avenue.
Thank you.
Your executive producer,
We thank
Mike
you very
Lazaro.
much.
And I want to thank Mary Beth Carty, Sienna Kelly, and Kennedy Rodriguez. What do you think of our announcer team? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I understand the artists are still selling down there. I talked to Shrimp versus Chef down at Island Brew. He's selling for a couple of more hours. There's so much to enjoy in Carpinteria this afternoon. The sun doesn't go down till 9 o'clock tonight. Support all your local businesses, enjoy the beach, and enjoy your happy 4th of July Independence Day Parade here in Carpinteria. Thank you so much for coming out. We'll see you again at Christmas time for our holiday parade.
Be safe and have a great time today. Thank you for coming.
Now our announcers are receiving some beautiful flowers for their outstanding work.
Apparently you get none.
I've been offered some shrimp down the street. And Larry Nimmer joining us, ladies and gentlemen, for this Independence Day Parade video. He'll have Rods and Roses video, locally grown Carpinteria flowers. Larry will have this video up on our community television channel to run over and over and over, and we just love it. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Happy 4th of July, however you like to say it, and enjoy yourself in Carpinteria. Take care.